So what kind of dim sum you want to order? Did you look at the different plates? And whatever they have.
$2.95.
So this is Jade Dynasty. There's the fish going in. There's the fish going in. Ordered 6 items from the dim sum. And lemon iced tea. And just a regular size egg drop soup. This Jade Dynasty place. I think it's on the 4th level of the Alamona Mall. Vintage box camera and the Fujifilm Evo. Fujifilm Evo Instax film camera. Vintage box camera and the Fujifilm Evo. Macaroni grill. And this is the place we're going to, Jade Dynasty. So what kind of dim sum you want to order? Did you look at the different plates? And whatever they have.
$2.95.
That's a pretty big TV they got. That's like a 120-inch TV. Right, look at that. Now that tells you something. This is really fancy. Alright, so what else you want to get? Get the pork dumplings, soup dumplings. Oh, let's see if they have a soup on there. Now?
Shrimp and chive dumplings.
Okay. There's refreshing iced tea. Hong Kong style lemon tea. With the used lemon. Nice picture of that Hong Kong style lemon tea. With ice lemon tea, I think they call it, with 20 lemons at the bottom of the jar, of the glass. There's the teapot, a copper teapot, and there's a view of their big screen. Alright, so there is the 3 egg rolls. What are they, egg rolls or shrimp rolls?
Shrimp rolls.
Shrimp rolls, okay, and we've got 6 items on the list. So that's the Hong Kong style iced lemon tea with the lemon slices. See them there? Okay. And there's the egg drop soup and dumplings. I believe they're pork. The spring rolls. And I've got the Wuhan sauce here. Alright, so we just finished up at Jade Dynasty. We got 7 items showing on the list. I think we ordered 5 and wound up at 7. It was all pretty good. We had a nice soup. It's a big bowl. It's a big bowl for $5.95. And the lemon iced tea was great. So it was pretty good for our lunch dim sum.